Did anyone think of a system that they could think of that would, would help them feel lighter?
Well, I have a really different business. I've been doing oral histories of World War II POWs for the last 32 years, and now I'm getting to the point where we're building a platform. We're going to see if we can monetize it in several different ways, books, possibly a movie, possibly, leasing it to other people to use it. But I hadn't done a lot of systems, and I did everything. And now I've got someone who is cataloging my books and all of the documents that I have in my files. I've got a lawyer who is checking to make sure that every step I make is not going to violate copyright. And I don't really know what else, because I'm the only one that has it here. I've got it written down, but it's all here. And that I can't take my head off and give it to somebody.
No, no, you cannot. No.
No.
But I think to grow your business to where you eventually have other team members that are able to help you with it, you are going to want to get the stuff out of your head and onto paper. So that would be my recommendation is, or first step for you is to essentially write SOPs, so standard operating procedures. So, and those can be, it doesn't have to be if this email comes in, you answer it this way. It can be like what's in your head and bringing it onto paper, so that when you do bring on a team member in the future, they're gonna, they can kind of run with it. They're not gonna have to come to you every 5 seconds and ask you, what do I do about this? What do I do about that? And then you're out on vacation and nothing works. So that would be my first recommendation for you is pick pick one topic in your business, or one, I guess, for you maybe like look at what do people come to you most for help right now, or what do they want from your brain that's in your brain. Get that onto paper first. Does that kind of help?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
And I
Cool.
think writing in books is probably going to be how I do that. I
Yeah.
think that to me, then it goes out and other people understand, and then they can ask the questions and, ask for other things from the archive. Thank you. I really
Yes.
appreciate that.
Yeah, of course, I'm glad I can help.